What's up, guys? This is Travis with MyBrainBack. Java development, or learning Java, or intro to Java, whatever you want to call this course, you're signed up. This is the first video. We're going to get you guys caught up to date. Basically what we want to do is first check out if you guys have the Java developer or the Java kit compiler or whatever. On a Macintosh, go to your applications, and then we're going to go up to utilities and terminal, and what you want to type in is, or actually catch you Windows users up to date. On Windows, you want to go over to your start, your little search bar right above the start, type in CM as in Michael D and hit enter. So CMD, enter, and that'll run your command prompt. Once you get to your command prompt, both on Windows and Macintosh, just type in javac. And if you guys have something like this, most likely you have the Java compiler. If you don't, check the description, check the blog post, wherever you're watching this at. Check, the more info, and I'll get you guys caught up to where you should be to continue on with this video. But basically what you want to do after that is just go into your whatever browser you use and type in Eclipse, because Eclipse is going to make developing a lot easier, a lot simpler, a lot easier to check all your bugs and your mistakes. I don't know if you guys had the same problem I did in elementary schools with not crossing your T's, and your teacher just beat you with like a bat. You won't have to go through that with Eclipse. Basically, you go to Eclipse downloads right here. Put the link in the description or the blog post as well. And what you want to download is the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And right here you can choose Windows, Mac, whatever you're working with. And if you don't know if you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit, most likely you have a 32-bit. No offense, but the 64-bit is kind of the more expensive computers that just came out. So if you do have a super expensive computer and you don't know which one you have, most likely it's going to be 64 if you just got it. So you're going to download that. I already downloaded it. And once you do that, you want to go into let's see here. Just got the Mac, so I'm not quite familiar with it yet. You want to go into your Finder and then your downloads. And for Windows users, you want to extract your Java file or your Java download right there, and you want to put it into your main hard drive. So for Windows, you want to put it on the C drive. For Macintosh, just put it in your Macintosh hard drive. I'm not going to replace it, but I was just showing you where you should put it. After you do that, you want to open up Eclipse. So go into that folder, hit Eclipse, and right here, once you hit Eclipse, you're going to have a little prompt like this, the Workspace Launcher. And what you want to do is you want to set up where your workspace is, where you want to keep all your projects, your folders, everything you want to do with Java. This is where you're going to organize it. And I'm just going to do it within my documents, and I'm going to hit new folder, and I'm going to call it Java. Man, the control and the Apple thing, or the command or whatever, is really messing me up switching over to a Macintosh. I'm just going to create a new folder called Java, and within this folder I'm going to create another folder called The Basics. Hit enter, and this is where we're going to keep our workspace. So we're going to hit OK, and here is our Eclipse workspace. Here's our welcome screen. It's not too welcoming. We're just going to hit X and we're good to go. This is going to be our Eclipse environment. This is where all the magic is going to happen, like I say, with the Android tutorials. If you guys haven't seen those, you should probably check them out as well. But to get started with Java, we're just going to right click and hit New Java Project. And if you didn't have that package, this package explorer, basically all you gotta do is cancel that real quick. All you gotta do is just go up to Window, show view and then package explorer, and it'll pull up this tab. You can move it around wherever you want. Oops. Alright, so then you right click and you hit new Java project, and we're going to name this the basics. Keep it consistent. Can't spell though. And here is our little project we got going on. We're going to create a real quick Java application just to make sure you guys are up to par and your compiler is working. You have the Java development kit, all that good stuff. It's kind of just a test. So we're going to hit the source folder. We're going to right click. We're going to go to new class, and we're going to call this starting point. And if you just found these tutorials and you're like, wow, he's not explaining anything, what a douche, don't discredit me yet, because I just want to make sure that you guys are following along and everything's working properly. So we'll get into more detail later, but basically this is going to be our public class, and what we need to do is we just need to say public static void main, and then in parentheses we say string, and whatever you want to type it, or yeah, I'm gonna just say trav, whatever, and then opening bracket, and there will be our closing bracket, and within here we're gonna say system dot out dot print, and within here we're gonna say hello Travis, because hello world's just so 1990s, if you know what I'm saying. We're just gonna say system out print and hit save, and then we're gonna right click on our basics folder right up here and run as Java application, and down here you can see it's printed hello whatever you typed. Hopefully it's Travis, and if it was, hello guys, thanks for watching the videos. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later, but you know, hello. Anyways, if that worked for you, you're good. If not, check the description, because I'll get you caught up to the point where you need to be to continue on with this series. Look forward to speaking with you guys, and just, you know, whatever. Just subscribe, thumbs up, check out mybringback.com, because it's going to be awesome. And I'll catch you guys next tutorial. Peace.